here. I'm going to talk about Chapter 2, Sensory Integration. That's a great tool for the reading tutor to have, a parent, a teacher to have. Sensory integration just means you're going to try to build new neural pathways between the hemispheres of the brain. Now that sounds complicated, but it really isn't, because our bodies and our brains are very closely linked. So all you need to do is find activities that the child enjoys that cross the body midline. So tapping opposite shoulders, even just crossing your hands above your head or on your forehead, anything like that, skipping rope, sword fighting, popping bubbles with a wand, anything where the arms or the feet are crossing the body midline. That's going to help build the neural pathways between the brain hemispheres that dyslexics need in order to read fluently. It's not the whole picture, it's one tool in this toolbox. So that's one you want to have in your toolbox when you're teaching a dyslexic kid to read. There's more detail in the book, and we're going to discuss another tool on the next video.